Fish eye is a coating defect where small, circular, crater-like spots form on the coated surface. They resemble the eye of a fish, a raised rim surrounding a center where the coating has pulled away, revealing the substrate or underlying layer. Fish eyes are also known as silicone contamination, pore wetting, saucering, pits, craters, and cissing. Fish eyes are a typical defect when paint is sprayed. They are small, quasi-circular areas of substrate that are exposed through the applied coating immediately after application and which have at their center a source of contamination. Fish eyes can be caused by oily spots or silicone particles and/or by airborne droplets that are deposited on the painted surface. When a coating is applied to a substrate that is contaminated with low surface energy particles such as oil, wax, grease, or silicone, fish eyes may develop in the coating as it is applied. These fish eyes are produced because the coating is unable to wet out the contaminated area. Causes fish eyes occur when surface tension differences prevent the coating from wetting certain spots. The most common causes include contamination by wax, silicone, oil, or grease. Contamination by soap residues, detergents, or metal cleaning products. Contamination of the surrounding air, proximity to mechanic shop. Contamination from use of polishes or aerosol spray containing silicone. Contaminated air lines. Effects of old finish and previous repair may contain excessive amounts of silicone. Use of thinner reducer in place of a solvent cleaner. Spraying over previously repaired areas containing fish eye eliminator, additive. Improper or insufficient surface cleaning or preparation. Preventions. Thoroughly degrease surface with a wax and silicone remover. Regular maintenance of air supply equipment. Make sure that all products containing silicone are used as far away from the workshop as possible. Solutions. Remove wet paint film with solvent, clean, and refinish. Add the recommended fish eye eliminator and respray the affected area. If fish eyes appear in a base coat, allow the color to flash, then spray a mist coat over affected area. Do not use fish eye eliminator in undercoats or base coat color. Thoroughly clean the surface to be painted with detergent and hot water, followed by the recommended solvent cleaner. Wipe dry with clean rags. Install an air filtering system that removes and prevents oil and moisture contamination. Apply mist coat. Sand panel. Isolate and repaint.